Hi everybody. So I thought I'd make a midweek video about a skill I've had for many years, and thought I'd share it with you guys. How to make a paper airplane. This is quite simple. I'm using this math homework. It's not relevant because I hate math, but nope, stay in school, kids. Anyway, we're going to start by folding hot dog style, like this. Alright, like that. I'm going to open it back up. I'm going to fold each corner like that. And I'm going to do the other side. Alright. Not too bad. My light's a little too bright. Alright. Now this next step gets a little tricky. Well, it's after this one. Then you're going to fold this down like this. Okay? Should look like this. Put that up higher. Okay? And now here's where it's going to get tricky. You have to hold the camera up a little. Alright, we're going to fold like this. Leave some space in this little triangle area because that's going to be a pretty cool feature we're going to have with this. Alright. That. Now, I'm going to lift this little thing up, the little triangle. Okay. Should look something like that now. Now we're going to fold it like this. Okay, it should look like that now. And then you're going to fold down. And you're done. Decorate it however you like. Go wild. And it actually flies too. Don't get discouraged. So, yeah. Thanks for watching. Let's see, it'll fly. Whatever. Okay. So thanks for watching. Subscribe if you want instruction videos for stuff like this. Thanks, and bye.